Generation Green has been funded by SEFE to deliver STEM workshops within primary schools. Students explore renewable energy through kinesthetic learning, where they build their own model wind turbine. Designed to develop students' teamwork and creativity skills, they use the engineer process of build, test, and improve, all to see who can generate the highest voltage output.
Year 6 students at Cedars Academy have just taken part in the SEFE Generation Green workshops.
To spin our blades, inside the hub there is a magnet, and that magnet is surrounded by a big copper coil.
So I'm Miss Goddard, I'm a teacher at Cedars Academy. The workshop was really good. The children learnt a lot. It was great to kind of have them learning about different kind of renewable energy sources. It's particularly kind of in the modern day, it's such an important topic that the children have an understanding of. Having kind of the mix of the vocabulary and that kind of scientific vocabulary, but also then that kind of hands-on where they got to investigate and try things out and bringing in kind of the science elements into the measuring, and then giving them that chance to go back and adapt their kind of creations was fantastic. Having someone come in and do that kind of active workshop was real kind of strength, and it was just fantastic. The kids really were engaged.
It's all about learning. So you are still getting a voltage output, but can you see what's happening at the top? What is happening at the top? Rocking and shaking a lot, isn't it? So this would be bad in real life. We were getting lots of rocking. We were still getting a fairly decent voltage output, so it still works. 3 volts, that's the highest I've had in a while. So you've probably got a pretty decent generator there that's running very smoothly.
We got one that was 3 voltages. It was really cool because we got to see the model in its action as well, so it was really fun to do that.
It's better to make it twist it a bit, turn a bit, so it can produce more voltage.
And I didn't know that in real ones there's actually a magnet here.
To think about careers, I think I would take it into consideration because it's super duper cool.